Three ways to send email using TeamUnify. Once you've logged in, go to TeamAdmin and then to Email Center. Email message is where you edit your message, but first go to Email Groups. Depending which group you want to reach, you can edit these. Here you can see the number of members in each group. Let's take Senior Leaders for example. There are 3 members right now, but of course we know there are more than that. If you want to add or delete, the process is simple. If you want to add Emma, add. If you want to delete Emma and Rachel, remove. Save changes. So here are the 3 ways to do it. Go into Messages, Email Message, and here are your email groups again. So we were just working with Senior Leaders, and we reduced the number to 2. So we're going to call this Test Email. We'll start by deleting everything here. Test, message, ignore. For formatting, I always set everything to Arial, and 14 seems to make it big enough so that on some screens it's easier to read. That's up to you. Now, we know that from selecting Senior Leaders there are 2 members in this group. If we select a different group, there will be a different selection. The other way to add members, know that when you send email to those groups, it will go to the parents' email addresses as well as all of the kids' email addresses associated with that parent account. So you will be able to reach all your swimmers whose personal email addresses are attached to the parent accounts. I just updated all of those, so they're all updated for senior swimmers and Senior Leaders. If you want to add other recipients outside of this list, you can put them into BCC. The mailing system automatically puts these into BCC so as not to share everyone's email addresses. So in this case, here's the list of Senior Leaders, and we can paste that in here. Now, just to avoid spamming everybody, we'll just leave Rachel in there, so we know that this email will now go to George and Carly, who are in this list, and Rachel, who's in BCC. Finish editing our message, and we'll hit Email Now. Normally you'd hit OK. In this case I'm hitting Cancel. To check if your swimmer's email address is in their family account, you can search for accounts. Not everybody has access to this part of the website, so I can check for you if you don't have access. If we check for Matt Lee, look under Members, and we'll see that Matt has his personal email there. So when we email the Lee family, all the Lees will get the email. And if you only wanted to email Matt, you would put him into blind copy. Either type it in or paste it in from a list. So those are the 3 ways. Either choose from a list, enter it manually, or paste from your pre-formatted list.